The 28th Annual ARC Industry Forum provides a unique opportunity for members of the electric, gas, and water utility community to take their rightful place with their counterpart leaders and innovators who are redefining other industrial sector landscapes. Utility industry leaders who have joined us in many of our prior annual forums in Orlando attest to the value that they have gained and the new relationships they've forged. This year's ARC Forum, from February 4th to the 8th, will continue in that tradition. Discover how to harness the power of generative AI, build cyber-resilient operations, and drive sustainability into the core of your business strategies. Learn from the stories of your peers and the successes of those leading the charge in digitalization, energy transition, and competitive excellence. Whether it's through AI and cognitive analytics, digital twins, or predictive technologies, the ARC Industry Forum is the place to be for those ready to dismantle constraints and lead with both agility and innovation. Experience firsthand how integrated digital technologies are not just shaping the present, but paving the way for a resilient and sustainable future. Are you ready to transform your organization and lead in the digital age? Then don't miss out on this opportunity to be at the forefront of industrial transformation. Visit our website to secure your spot and be part of the conversation that's setting the pace for tomorrow's industry.